Hey YouTube! Last week I was in New York and it was awesome! But this video is not gonna be about New York because something changed. I had bling! A light bulb moment. So this video is gonna be about change. It's gonna be about women. Watch this. In 2011, I started Slides That Rock. And Slides That Rock was created to help people around the globe do better presentations. And over the years, I worked with everything from startups to TED speakers to Harvard Business School. And it's been great and rewarding. Now, 3 weeks ago, I got an email from a woman called Sue. And Sue wrote to me and said, "Hi there, my name is Sue. I'm a small business owner. I work a lot with women and I'm looking to get help with my next presentation. But I looked at your website and what is wrong with you? All the pictures that I see with people in them are all white men. Yes, all white men." So she continued. She said, "I work with women. I work with people of different races, different nationalities. How can I trust you to help me when all I'm seeing on your website is white men?" And I was like, that was a leap. I was like, what? Really? I looked at the website and it's true. It was all white men. And I'm like, it really hit me. This is wrong. Because it's not reflecting who I am and what I do. I have lived in Asia for half of my life, and Asia is not full of white people. Number two, my wife is Chinese, she's from Hong Kong. I have 2 lovely daughters. I have worked, and I do work with a lot of amazing women every day. So I'm like, this is wrong. This is not reflecting who I am and what I do. So yes, the website has been changed. That was the first part. Moving on. So what happened this week? I am reading a book called Crushing It by Gary Vaynerchuk. And Crushing It is a book that is full of examples of companies that are doing great business online, and it has tools and techniques that you can apply to do more yourself. Now, one of the companies in the book is a company called Foolies. And Foolies are in the business of helping, empowering, supporting women, and in particular women of color, to do more. And I was reading the story and I was really inspired, and I was like, why can't I do that? Because here's the deal. If I look at the people that I have helped over the years with Slides That Rock, a lot of them, and I think it's more than half, are actually women. Yeah, and many of them are solo entrepreneurs, so they are kind of like individual women who have started their own company. Most of them are small companies, and they are kind of on a mission to change the world. They are driven and they work really hard to make it happen. And I love to work with these women. So 3 things I can share that these women tend to have in common. Number 1, what they do is deeply personal. So it comes from inside, and it's often sparked by a personal experience, a dramatic personal experience they've been through. And it can be everything from abuse, overcoming abuse, being in a difficult relationship, challenges at work, or having success in a field that you didn't expect. So they've been through something and they came out on the other side with some tools, some ideas, and being a wiser human being. And now they want to share that with other people. So that's the personal part. The next thing is they care deeply. So they care deeply about other people and they really want to help. It's not just a tool to make money. And if I reflect on the men I've helped, because I've helped a lot of men, And many men are, behind startups, and their drivers are more like, let's create the next big thing, and it's gonna be magical, and we're gonna change the world, and we're gonna make a lot of money, and we're gonna do an IPO next week. Now, the women I've worked with are different because they come from a place of, I have learned something, I've created some tools or a service that can help and serve other people. I want to help these people because I care. And when I help other people, a side benefit is, yes, I will make money. Different. So the second thing is care. Number 3, they are great to work with. So generally, women are kinder and nicer, and they see the work they do with me more as a collaboration on how can we work together to create the best presentation, the best pitch. It's not just do this, do that, so I can take this presentation and pitch and make a lot of money. It's like, how can I create a pitch or presentation that really reflects who I am and what I want to do and how I can help. So I've decided to do a few things. So what's the deal? Every day I look at my 2 young daughters and I look at the outside world and I go, that is not right. It's half broken. So if I can do something to help women, whether it's my daughters, their friends, older women, business people, whatever it might be, to find their voice and help them communicate their ideas, their messages, their products to the world, I will do that. So here are 3 changes. Number 1, I'll be showcasing more women on this channel. They might be famous, they might be people you never heard about, but they are great presenters and they have important messages. Because here's the deal. If I look at what I've done so far, it's all men and they're all white. Steve Jobs, Richard Branson, Elon Musk. Great speakers, great business people, but it's all white men. And there's a lot more we can learn from women. So that's number 1. Number 2, I'm going to be reaching out to more women, communities, to understand what they want and what they need. Again, to help them communicate better with the world. And number 3, based on what I find, I will tweak and twist and create tools that would help more women communicate better. So 3 things: showcase role models. Number 2, reach out and talk to women to find out what they need and want. And lastly, tweak and twist, create tools to help them amplify and really communicate with more impact. How about that? When does this start? It starts right here, right now. Boom. My name is Tomas Bay. I'm also known as Coach Bay. What do? I create cool tools and videos to help you do better presentations and tell better stories. Now, I would love your help. I'm gonna focus more on women. I have ideas, but I would love to hear from you. So if you have ideas, if you have names of women that you think I should look at, study, or feature on this channel, drop me a note. You can send it to my email or you can drop it below in the comment section. I would love for you to help. Because yes, I have ideas, but I don't know everything. And I really, really want to help more women find their voice and then help them amplify it and connect with the world. So if you're game, let me know. That's it. That was my light bulb moment. Reach out and help more women. I hope you're gonna join me. Over and out. Peace.